Well, as promised, I'm going to show you how to install your jump seat belt on the JIN BEI H2, because these seats don't come with seat belts on them, so if you need them, you need to install them yourself. For this, I'm going to use this crescent wrench here, and we are going to affix the seat belts to these two 14mm bolts. If you have the socket set, you could go ahead and use that as well. So let's get started. Take this portion here, I'm going to pass it underneath between the seat right here till it comes out right here. Line it up with the hole, and then take the bolt and pass it through, and then you screw it back into the hole. It's going to be tough to do with one hand. I'll try my best. Try not to cross thread the bolt either. Snug enough. So we're going to take the other side, right? Pass it around the seat like this, and then you come and you do the same thing with this side. See in the hole? Line it up with the hole. This one is a little easier to do. Ready for use. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and look out for more videos.